How to cook easy chicken adobo. First, we pan fry the potatoes. And after that, we set it aside. Next, in the same pan, we saute garlic and ginger. And then we add the chicken pieces. So we will saute our chicken pieces until there's no more visible blood. And after that, we add a cup of soy sauce, some bay leaves, and cracked pepper. We cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we add a cup of vinegar. I used here apple cider vinegar. And then we cover and cook for 15 minutes again. And then we add a tablespoon of sugar. If you are using a pan just like me, we need to flip the chicken pieces so that the other side could be submerged to the sauce. And then we can add in the potatoes. We cover it again and cook for 15 to 30 minutes under low heat. And after that, it's done. Thank you for watching.